changing like I hoped they would change. And then my clothes got too small for my emotions, too small, I had to change. Lost my sense of being an ocean. Start to wean off medication. Keeping track might try again. It feels like losing heroin when you hold antidepressants. Hey, I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown into shadow. Hey, I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown in. Been chasing, tracking that old feeling to find my Sistine Chapel ceiling. First I'm gonna kneel before it, then forget I cared about it. I'll keep moving through the cycle. I just take it while away. I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown into shadow. Hey, I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown in. I will run to lift the levels. I will dance at the same time as breakfast. I will schedule my friends in, and I'll eat more tryptophan. Oh, I will work on moving through it and how I communicate it when I just get low on serotonin. Everything was thrown into shadow. Hey, I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown in. Hey, I get real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown into shadow. Hey, I got real low on serotonin. Everything was thrown in. It's just something I am trying. Have to change it up a while. Might be futile, I don't mind them. I think it is in the trying.